If you guys are interested in our Trike kit giveaway, don't forget, go to our website, buy some apparel. There's literally a couple days left. Gonna pick a winner on the 20th, which is in a couple days. So somebody's gonna have a good Christmas and get a free standard Trike kit. I'll post a link to the video with all the details on that. But again, go to bbctrikes.com, enter that, get a t-shirt. You might win a Trike kit.
We're giving away a Trike kit if someone buys a shirt?
Yes.
So we're getting rid of the old shirts?
We're getting rid of the old shirts.
Get rid of the old shirts? Give me another shirt. Yeah. All right, let's go. Welcome back.
So I don't know why that just happened, but he thought that would get the point across. So anyway, guys, go to our website, bbctrikes.com. Buy a t-shirt, gets you an entry to basically win a Trike kit. Now, this is going to be a standard Trike kit. It's going to come with the base parts, which is going to be subframe, swing arm, triple clamps, and intake. So that's usually about like a $300 to $3,500 kit, and that gets you guys started. One lucky winner is going to be getting a Trike kit, and that's going to be freaking awesome, guys. One shirt, one entry. If you get 2 shirts or 3 shirts, that's 3 entries. So the shirts, as soon as you place the order, they're going to get processed and shipped out, and then we're going to do the final drawing basically on December 20th. So we're super pumped about it. I want to see more of you guys winning these. If you can't afford it, this is a way you can literally spend like 25 bucks on a shirt and possibly get a Trike kit. So again, head over to bbctrikes.com. I'm going to put the link in the description to our website. I'm also going to link right to our apparel page, and you guys can get signed right up. And it's all going to be ran through our website. Dude, Ice Cream Man's here.
Ice Cream Man's here.
Unreal. I like that new shirt.
Yeah, we got the
You
flag.
got the flag on the side of it?
Yeah, so I got to get her to put that one on the website too.
The one you're wearing is new too. That one's
Flag on the gray.
Absolutely. Definitely going to want to take advantage of this. If this goes well and we get a bunch of hits on this, man, we're going to be giving away a ton of stuff. She's going to pull up the website. We're going to show you guys what we got on there for apparel. All right, so they're going to our website, bbctrikes.com. What'd you click? There was a little banner at the top.
Yep, it says any custom apparel purchase here.
Standard Trike kit.
Gets you a chance to win a free standard Trike kit. So you click up there and it brings you to the custom apparel section.
So any of this gets them an entry.
Anyone that has a raffle.
Any one piece of shirt, hat, whatever that says raffle next to it gets them an entry.
Hat, sweatshirts, long sleeve shirts, some
Got
beanies.
some made in America with the BBC Trikes and the flag.
Yeah, this one's really cool.
Keep going down. Yeah, we got a little winter hat,
Some
guys. I know you
beanies.
click that one right there. I like that one. And that is the damn truth. Legends never die. Cool. So go up to the standard Trike kit for like a Honda. And the way we're going to do this, guys, you can basically choose any of the bikes that we make kits for. It's only going to be the ones we make kits for at this time.
And it's only a standard Trike.
And it's a standard kit. So you guys can see this retails for $36.73 full. So go down. Just want to show them what it contains. Triple clamp, rotor adapter, subframe assembly, intake kit, battery box if your bike is an electric start model, headlight, taillight mounts for some of the enduro models. We don't make them for all. Looks like billet front hub, front axle, foot pegs, and some instructions.
And they can add more. Whoever the winner is, they can add more to it.
Yeah.
Once they get it.
So again, if you need more than just the standard kit, you can get tires, rims, plastic, all the other pieces from us too. If not, we'll just ship you all those parts to whoever the winner is, and you can source all those parts yourself. It's totally up to you guys. bbctrikes.com. What's our phone number, babe?
520-372-7560.
Okay, so you guys got any questions, give us a call. It's pretty straightforward. I think I covered it. But again, go to bbctrikes.com. You guys possibly want a Trike kit. So I'm going to insert some pictures of a couple different Trikes that we have built, and it kind of gives you an idea of what you could possibly win. So see you guys in the next video. Hope you take advantage of this opportunity, and I'm going to get back to getting this flatbed finished up.